So I got this. How cute this is. से match करके मैंने ये cover लिया है guys. Yeah, I'm 30 years old, but yeah, I like to do these things, and yes, I am obsessed. Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are doing a very random Savannah haul. Love Savannah, okay? They have like super trendy clothes, but I would be honest, like it's kind of like a hit and miss when it's Savannah, but this time it has been a hit mostly, and I'm gonna show you everything I got. It's super random, like it has mobile accessories and clothes and dresses and just hairpins, like सब कुछ है इस video में. So yeah, without further ado, let's start with the video. Okay, so the first thing that I want to talk about is this top. I love this. I am obsessing over butter yellow right now, and this was something I really wanted. Like, look how pretty this is. This is, I know, Scandinavian scarf hai ye, but it's actually our dupatta, and this is like a very trendy topic on the internet right now, that हमारा दुपट्टा वाला trend has been stolen, which is so true. जो हमारा ये top है, that comes with like a Scandinavian scarf, and this is how it looks. You can see the proper try on, but I absolutely love it. And you can use my discount code also, which is right now here on screen, and you can get some special discount for yourself. Now I want to show you more clothes, but usse pehle I want to show you some super cute and random accessories that I got. First is this one. Isn't it so cute? It's like a heart shaped phone stand. Got this because I just found it so cute. And this pink, I'm obsessed with this pink. Like ये जो दो color है, this is what my life is about now, like butter yellow and this pastel Barbie pink. Next thing that I have is AirPods cover. So I got this. Look how cute this is, and उससे match करके मैंने ये cover लिया है guys. Like it's such a cute set, and yeah, I'm 30 years old, but yeah, I like to do these things, and yes, I am obsessed. Okay, next thing that I got is actually a cover that is on my phone right now, but I'll show you like in a video. It's like a very Victoria's Secret print inspired, okay, and like this is how it looks. And I also got this sticky suction sticker to just match with the cover, and you can see this is how it looks. It's so cute, like it, and it works actually. You can stick your phone anywhere on like a glass surface and film yourself. So, and the next thing that I got is actually I got a few covers for my sister's phone also. These two, I've already gifted it to her. I also got this heart shaped pop socket, but I accidentally ordered two, so I kept one for myself. Of course, I'm gonna link everything down below, so don't worry about that. Okay, now let's move on to more clothes. Next thing that I have is actually cord set. मैंने cord set काफी order करे हैं. This is how it looks. This is how it looks in the picture, like जो model ने पहना है, and this is how it is actually. It's in off white color, and ये तुमको like tie detailing में है ये. अभी समझ नहीं आएगा, but you can see how it looks. What I love about it ना, कि ये जो इसका पैंट हमें मिल रहा है, it's, look at these pants. These are so flowy, and just I love them because they're very comfortable. So this is something you can definitely go for, क्योंकि ये versatile है. Like ये top तुम jeans के साथ भी pair कर सकते हो, but साथ में भी ये काफी classy लग रहा है. And you can also pair like these palazzo pants with like a lot of other tops that you have. So yeah, this is our second set. You can see the proper try on the screen. Next set that I have with me is like, has to be my favorite because it's pink. ठीक है, और ये लिनन में भी है, तो फैब्रिक वाइज भी मैं अगर बोलूँ तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा क्वालिटी है. एंड दिस इज हाउ द पैंट looks like, and it's linen guys, so you can wear it with your cinched shorts. Like काफी अच्छा लगेगा, इसको तुम किसी भी तरह से स्टाइल कर सकते हो. And the top is also very pretty. So this one's like a peplum shaped top, and this is how it looks like. It just comes with like a gold button in the middle. I mean, you'll have to wear like a bralette inside it. You can see it in the try on, or if you are not comfortable with like such deep necks, you can wear your, you know, lacy camisoles under it, so that is also gonna look very pretty. But I love how it looks. It's very subtle, very Pinteresty kind of vibe here. And even with this, I love this. Okay, next set that I have, which this is the picture of the model, and I'm not very happy with it. Like, I love the style of it. पहले मैं दिखा देती हूँ, but I don't like the quality. Okay, this is how the top looks like. Like, मुझे लगा था कि ये भी ना ऐसे मस्त लिनन या कॉटन में होता ना तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सेक्सी लगता, बट ये एकदम ऐसा पॉलिएस्टर वाला फैब्रिक नहीं होता, उसमें है ये. एंड दिस इज हाउ द टॉप लुक्स लाइक, थोड़ा वेस्ट स्टाइल में है ये. बट अगेन, बिकॉज ऑफ द फैब्रिक, इट डजंट लुक दैट फ्लैटरिंग. Like, you can see how it looks, and it comes with like a pleated skirt. So when I say I had high hopes from this, I really had high hopes from this. But because of the material of the set, I don't like this, and I won't recommend it to you too. But I just wanted to show you how it looks. And like, iska MRP hai 1600 around, but of course you're gonna get it on like a good discount. Like, Savannah pe bhi discount pe hai, and after using my code also you're gonna get more discount on it. But still, I feel like this is not worth buying. Next thing that I got is this really pretty satin skirt. Like, look how classy this is. This is like a, in like a tulip shape, like just a little, but it's very very pretty, and the material is amazing. I just love how it flows so beautifully. Like, you can see it in like a proper try on. But this one is super classy, and I feel that it's gonna look really nice with this top also. But it will be too much for a coffee run, I feel. So we're not gonna wear it right now, but you get the idea, right? It's such a classy skirt. I absolutely love it. Next thing that I ordered is very disappointing, क्योंकि this is what I ordered. Okay, like flower वाला pins, but एक भी pin ठीक नहीं आई है. They have just sent me these flowers. Okay, wait, let me show you what I've received. These are like your normal plastic flowers. सब पे glue लगा हुआ है और pin उतरा हुआ है. So I was very disappointed कि भले मैंने कम दिए है बट पैसे दिए हैं तो ये हालत में तो नहीं आना चाहिए था. एंड दिस वन इज ऑल्सो वेरी लाइक क्रश्ड ऑल्सो. लाइक, इसका शेप भी ऐसा नहीं है, बट आई वॉन्टेड दैट वेरी ट्रॉपिकल वाइब. लाइक, लुक, it could have looked, well, of course I can fix it myself as well, but again, I wanted to receive something already fixed. It's a fail, to be honest. So disappointed, but okay. And lastly, I want to talk about this dress. This is from like an old purchase. ये जो सब है मैंने अभी recently लिया है. But ये जो dress that I'm talking about, this red dress, I wore in Goa. Like, but you guys, this dress is so pretty. Like, it has my heart. क्योंकि ये भी थोड़ा polyester में जा रहा है. But you can see how it looks. It wasn't looking cheap at all, to be honest. Like, इसके नीचे you're getting the lace neck flare as well. So I actually felt really pretty in this, and you can see it from the pictures. It was such a beautiful sunset, and the dress was just looking very pretty. And yeah, this was it about the haul, the Savannah haul. I have been meaning to film this from like a long time now, but finally. Everything is linked in the description and is mentioned in the pinned comments as well. Let me know which one was your favorite item from this video, and I'll see you super soon in my next one. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, all the good things, and I'll see you super soon.